Looking to showcase your creativity and attract clients? Learn how to create a stunning UGC portfolio on Canva that stands out. With easy-to-use templates and design tips, you'll have a captivating portfolio that highlights your unique style and skills, which elevate your brand. Let's dive in. So hello everyone and welcome in another video where I will show you step by step how to make UGC portfolio on Canva. So first of all, all you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. So you'll find this page as you can see, and you have just to create your account by writing your email address and your password. So as everyone see, in this video we'll explore UGC or user generated content, which is any content created by individuals, not brand, that enhance authenticity and engagement. Stay with us until the end where we'll share tips on how to effectively showcase your UGC portfolio on Canva and why it's essential for attracting clients. Don't miss out on valuable insights to elevate your creative career. Let's dive in. So this is my account. All I have to do right now is just go to the template and you click on website here, and then you search about portfolio, then you get started. But you have just right now to click over create a design. Once you do that, you will find here websites and other things. So firstly, we find here for you docs and other things. You have to click over websites and you'll find here website, business website, portfolio website, event website, education website, and other things. So we'll click over portfolio website. So as you can see, this is how it looks. Firstly, here we have the portfolio, so you choose the one you want. So I will choose, for example, this one. So as you can see, here we have it. So firstly, you have just to delete this one and you add your photo. Also, I will add all these things and I will do my own. As you can see. And then I will choose the background color that I want. For example, I will choose all this one, or I will choose this one. Put it like that. It's better like that. I like it. Then I will add firstly something here. So I will just go to the text like that, and I will just add a heading here. So I'll put it firstly here. I'll just add something here, for example. Firstly, I will choose here the size. For example, I will choose here 42, and I will choose here the color I want. So I will choose this one. Then I will choose bold or italic. For example, I will choose italic, and I will delete bold and other things. So I'll just write, for example, here. So I write, for example, creator, for example, like that. Then I'll put it in the middle. So if you want also to make it like that, put it in the middle, or you can just also here I will just put it like that, because I will add also here a photo of my picture. Then the size I'll put it in, for example, 64. Then I will come back and I will add a subheading. As you can see here, I write firstly my name, then I write here UGC creator, and right now if I want to add something, I will just go to element and I will search about social media, for example, like that. Then I will just select, for example, this one. I'll put it like that in the middle here, I will just put it here. So as you can see, you can also modify this one. Here we have the color that you want, then you click over edit if you want, and here we have border style, and if you want corner render, and we have also crop here, flip, and also we have here transparency, animate, position, and we have copy style also. So as you can see here, I add a Gmail. I will write it right now. So I'll add a little bit, and I will write my Gmail here. For example, write something like Alex Jones gmail.com, and here we have it. So I write here. So as you can see, I'll put it here like that. Then we have the Gmail. Then I will add here our fast food. For example, I will just click over here and I will add, for example, twist food like that. I'll put it here, as you can see. Then I will add location here, for example. For example, I will add here New York. And you add your location, for example. And then you have just to add image. You have to go to the uploads and you upload an image or video, and you put it here and you choose the background that you want. Then you click over share and save, and here we have UGC portfolio. So a UGC portfolio in Canva helps you showcase your creativity and attract clients. Use Canva's tools to create visually appealing presentation of your work. Start designing today to stand out. So this is how it works with Canva and how you can get started with it. So right now, this is the part to get started and design your portfolio UGC. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys, and see you again in the next video.